What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add a search field into the blog archives page. So for example, into the tags page, into the categories page, into archives page, all into a simple, fast and effective method using the WordPress classic themes. Okay, so the themes that have appearance, that have widgets, that have menus, the classic themes, the themes that isn't block themes. First thing, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard on your browser address bar, enter your domain plus WP admin, enter with login credentials, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over appearance, and hit the submenu widgets. Okay. Now the amount or the field's names change according to the theme that you are using. Once on widgets, find your sidebar widget. In my theme case, I have left sidebar, right sidebar, and others for footer. I recommend that you go to the sidebar, click into this plus button to add a block, and search for a widget called search. Okay, so just like this. Now you can drag this widget and drop to the top of this widgets bar. You can customize the widget in the way that you need. Okay, changing the name search, changing the position, the style of the sidebar, just like this in the case that I want, and update into the upper right corner of your screen. Now, into the sidebar of your archive page, you're going to be able to find a search field. If you have left sidebar, I recommend that you enter the search box and the search field just like this once again. Okay, drag and drop way to the top, but of course you can adjust in the way that you want, and customize this. Okay, you can change the text, the background into the right side of menus, do the block, and save your changes. Now, if someone access your blog's archives page, they're gonna be able to search. Okay, and that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.